Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this golf chipping net. As you can see, here is the net. You got a target up here, and you simply shoot into each of the 3 slots. You've also got this side net here in case you miss it. It still collects the balls. You've got 2 poles right here that fold in half, and that's what allows this thing to stand up. Super easy to assemble and disassemble. It comes with this bag here that can hold the net. It can also hold the poles, and it can hold these 2 stakes if you want to go ahead and stake this to the ground so it doesn't move around in the wind too much. You've got this bag to hold those stakes. You've also got 2 little mats. You've got some grass there, and then you got a green here. And then you could even stick these things in through the bottom, or you could take them out to hold the balls if you like. Here are the instructions to go ahead and assemble and disassemble. Super easy. It also comes with 6 practice balls that are squishy and then 6 normal balls. So overall, this is a complete kit, and I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.